This is the Electrostatics Kit, the static electricity kit that you'll pick up from school. The big bag itself isn't really part of the kit, it's just a container. So you can take these materials out. You'll notice a big cup that has a bunch of stuff in it. There's a foam cup, and inside the foam cup is a baggie that has a whole bunch of small parts. So be careful if you open. There's a lot of little pieces that can get lost. Okay, then back to the bigger stuff. We have a PVC pipe, and inside the PVC pipe you should find some straws. And they're wrap straws, they have paper wrapping. You'll find a piece of fabric, and this has a fair amount of wool content. You may have gotten a clear color piece of fabric. This is 100% wool. The brown and gray fabrics are like 30% wool or so. Now, ideally, you would have a fur. This is rabbit fur. This would give you the best results with charging. But we aren't giving you rabbit fur. Okay, back to what you did get in the kit. You get a piece of cardboard, a folded piece of paper that has strips of paper and aluminum foil inside. These are the parts that we'll be using. The folded paper is just to keep them together. A foam plate and an aluminum plate. And now I'm going to go through the contents of the baggie. So now in this small parts bag, I'm just going to empty it out and take a look at the individual pieces. We have some aluminum foil that's held between pieces of paper, which are all held together by a paper clip. The aluminum foil is what we're going to be using. A bobbin with some thread, or possibly a thread wrapped around a holder. This is what most people will be getting. Some push pins, 3 push pins, a roll of clear cellophane tape, a bolt, and 3 nuts that will fit on that bolt, a washer, a large and a small paper clip, for straw with aluminum foil wrapped around it. These from now on will be referred to as pith balls, and that's P-I-T-H, pith. And then finally, a neon bulb.